All right, so I'm going to go out tonight, take some pictures with the Fuji GW690. So let's load some film in this bad boy. I think we'll start with some Cinestill 800 tungsten. Pretty straightforward. Just get the film out. I say it's easy. It's never easy. Probably gonna be wishing I had a knife before it's over with. There we go. And on this camera, to load the film, there's a latch right here on the bottom. We pull that, opens the door, and take-up spool is on this side. I've already moved it from before. So we're going to take the film, take off this piece of paper here. You don't need it. And on the bottom, they have these pull-down tabs. You pull that down. And out, that lets you put the film in. Bring it over, put the tongue in the slip there, and then eject. And I like to give it a couple turns to make sure. And so we've got our starter arrows, and right there's our red dot. And I'm going to let it, so now we're lined up. Oh, don't forget the rubber eyepiece. Close it. And it winds a few times. And we always want to take on the box, tear off one of the tongues, in case you've ever wondered what these little squares are for. And that way I know what kind of films, I know that that there is film loaded and what kind of film it is. So there you have it, a quick tutorial on how to load film into the Fuji GW690 Professional. Thank you very much. And I'd appreciate it if you'd like, comment, subscribe below. And later days, everyone.